Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, I'm getting a lot of flack on some of the videos I'm posting regarding car seats. Some of it's good, and of course you've got those that just don't get it. So, I want to show you something. Stick around. You may or may not like this. Hey everybody, thanks for sticking around. So, what I did is I took two infant CPR mannequins. Now, as a former life support instructor and as a first responder, these infant mannequins are life size. They weigh about the appropriate, weight of uh, of about a 1 year old. An infant is from birth to 12 months, so it's right there. But what I did is, you'll see in the video, and I was using a Dodge Durango, that I did a 25-mile-an-hour panic stop. Now, I didn't hit anything. I just simply smashed the brakes in this Durango that Hunter Dodge let me borrow. And thank you to Hunter Dodge. I really appreciate that. It was an awesome Durango. But I want to show you what happens when a child is not restrained or is partially restrained in a seatbelt, not a car seat. So it's kind of graphic, but check it out. And there you have it. That is what happens to children that aren't in a seatbelt and in a car seat. And as you can see, the one, his head went completely backwards. That's a broken neck. These kids, if they survive this, I can tell you that one whose head went back is definitely going to is not walking anymore. The other one is going to have, facial lacerations, broken ribs, broken bones, what have you. And that was just a panic stop. That's just slowing the vehicle down by simply pressing on the brake. Imagine going from 25 miles an hour to a dead stop. Everything's going to happen a lot faster. So, if you don't think child seats are important and you want to risk having something happen like that, that's fine. Now, I want to throw in one more thing. Imagine having a child in front of you holding your infant with the seatbelt over you and the infant and having to stop very quickly or being involved in an accident. I unfortunately have seen what happens with that, and it's deadly. 9 times out of 10, not only is that infant or child killed, but they're usually damn near cut in half. It's no joke, so I'm not going to joke around with what I've seen. As drivers, you should know better. If you're willing to take that chance, that's fine, but if something happens, that's on you. You're the driver, you're in control of the vehicle, you're the one that took the ride, and you're the one that's going to be sued if something should happen and you kill somebody's child or infant or whatever you want to call it. It's no joke. Not only that, but you put a huge burden on those of us that actually do use car seats, because now we're pulling up to a passenger that's like, well, the other driver did it. Well, I'm not the other driver. And there are majority of drivers aren't the other drivers. If you're going to risk it, you're an idiot. You're also making it more difficult to, I should say, for those drivers that actually follow the rules. Just don't do it. You're going to get a cancellation fee anyway. So take your cancellation fee, move on to the next trip. Do not take these. That's all I got to say about it. So be safe, be professional, keep it real. If you must, drive on. Please, if you're not going to use a car seat, If the parents don't have a car seat, don't take the trip. Save yourself and a lot of other people a whole lot of inconvenience.